Hey guys, this is the third video of our Firebase playlist, and in this video we will initialize the project in our PC. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So to install or initialize our project in our PC, go to the path where you have to install, then click on the path here, type cmd, it will open a command prompt here, and then type Firebase space initialize, init hosting. Okay, type y. Then as we have created our project in the Firebase, we will use an existing project. Type enter, then select the project using the arrow keys. Tap enter, then you can name your public folder. I will leave it as public, so tap enter, then okay, y for single page. Okay, our Firebase app has been created, so let's open it in our VS Code. To do that, code space dot. Okay, it's open here. Okay, this is the page we will get when we install Firebase. So okay, we will run it. To run the Firebase project in your PC, we have to use Firebase space serve command in the command prompt. I am using git bash here. Okay, let's open it. Okay, the Firebase project is loaded. Okay, we are not getting any error. We are not getting any error. So here are some files. This is the public folder where our apps, all JavaScript files, CSS files, web, the whole website is in this folder, public folder. And the Firebase JSON has some data, that which to ignore, which to upload, what's the name of our public folder, and some other files. We don't have to do anything here. And same for the git ignore. If we have to upload the git, it will ignore these files. Okay, let's try. Let me create app.js. We will use external JavaScript for our project. Okay, let's delete this whole thing here. Okay, so these are the script tags which is Firebase, which is needed to run Firebase. This is the repository. Let's show you. Here are the, you can find here sources and 2_ in Firebase. You can use any of them: database, authentication, storage, messaging, anything. You can also delete the links of the module you didn't want. So I don't want the messaging and the storage. Let's delete this. Let's save and let's link our app. So let's use script source again, and then link our app.javascript, and then we will write our JavaScript code here. So in JavaScript, let's make an event, document.add event listener. This is very important for JavaScript because when these script will load, as they are asynchronous link, they will load asynchronously, so they will take some time. So we have to use this method. If we didn't use this method, okay, I will show you without using this method. Okay, let's use constant app equals to firebase dot app and then run it. Reload this page. It will give you the error that Firebase is not defined because this app.js is being executed before these files are imported. So to do that, we have to use event listener document dot add event listener, which is dom content loaded. It means when all the content will load, this code will run. So let's cut here this, make a function here, and then paste it here. So the code is same, constant app equal to firebase dot app. Let's run it. It is not giving an error. So let's console.log this and reload the page. Okay, it is showing the Firebase. Okay, our Firebase project is successfully installed. It is working without any error. So that it is for today. We will learn how to use authentication in Firebase in the next episode.